Hey everyone, today we're racing at Bristol in my home state of Tennessee. Chad Finchum here, NASCAR Cup Series driver. I'm proud to be a part of the Hvac family. Nothing feels more real than representing Cooper&Hunter on the track. This race, it's 500 laps of pure adrenaline. My car pushes the limits and then goes beyond. One lap, one install, one victory at a time. Just like our Hvac heroes out there, I'm not afraid to put my foot down and chase performance at full throttle. This is Hvac Speed. With Cooper&Hunter, we create emotions together.